watch live, ask anything. Meet the Grafux Live Block. It embeds a live YouTube stream right in the block and answers your questions about it, transcribing the broadcast as it plays, visually, with no code at all. Whatever you're building, this is where it gets easier. So let me show you exactly how it works. So what is it? Put simply, the Live Block embeds a live YouTube stream right in the block and answers your questions about it, transcribing the broadcast as it plays. You give it what it needs, it does the work, and it hands you back answer, transcript, and status as live data you can wire into anything else on your canvas. There's no setup and no boilerplate. You describe the outcome you want, and the block quietly takes care of the how. But first, why does this even matter? Normally, following a live stream and pulling insight from it means watching every single second yourself. It's slow, it's fiddly, and it pulls you right out of your flow. The Live Block makes all of that disappear, turning a whole chore into a single, simple node. What used to take a stack of tools and a pile of patience now takes one block and one click. And getting started could not be easier. Just open the Live button on the toolbar, describe a YouTube link, then press Run. That's the whole thing, 3 steps, from a blank canvas to a working live block, in seconds rather than hours. And honestly, there's nothing else to learn. If you can describe what you want, you already know how to use it. Now, every block in Grafux speaks in ports. The live block takes an live stream link in question and gives you back answer, transcript, and status. And here's the magic. Every one of those is live data. Connect an output to another block, and it simply flows, updating the moment anything changes. That's the whole idea behind Grafux. Small, sharp blocks that snap together into something genuinely powerful. So, how does it actually work? Here's the clever part. Under the hood, it just works. The video plays, the block listens. From the second you press Run, the live block handles every step for you. No servers to set up, no plumbing, no configuration. All the heavy lifting happens quietly in the background, so your canvas stays clean and the complexity stays completely out of your way. Alright, let's make this real. Drop in a live keynote, then ask, what do they announce about pricing? The block transcribes as it goes and answers from the stream. You never touch the scrubber. That right there is the live block, one single node, doing the work of an entire workflow. And you built it just by describing what you wanted. And because those outputs are just data, the real power shows up when you compose. Feed the live block into a topic block, a memory block, and a selection block, and watch the whole thing come alive. In minutes, you have built a living, breathing pipeline visually with zero code. Change one block, and everything downstream updates automatically, always in sync. Best of all, none of this is a solo effort. Grafux is real-time and collaborative. The moment your live block runs, everyone in the shared diagram sees it update live. You design together on the very same canvas, whether your teammates are in the next room or on the other side of the world. Cursors, comments, changes. Everyone shares one live canvas, so nothing ever gets lost in a handoff. And that's the real idea behind Grafux. Every capability you can imagine, research, code, hardware, media, memory becomes a block you can see, connect, and run. The live block is just one piece of a canvas where anything can talk to anything. No glue code, no context switching. Just build. Start with a single block today and grow it into whatever you can dream up tomorrow. So, why do people reach for the live block? In-block video, no new tab. Understands it, transcribes plus answers. It's visual, so there's no code to wire it together. And it's collaborative, so your whole team is right there with you. It is powerful where it counts, and beautifully simple everywhere else. It's the kind of tool that just gets out of your way and lets you focus on the work that actually matters. And think of everywhere it fits. Keynotes, news, sports, lectures, earnings calls, or events. And honestly, the list just keeps going. If you can describe it, the live block can help you build it, and the moment you need something new, another block is only a click away. So go ahead, drop a live block onto your canvas, and see what you can create. Watch live. Ask anything. Start building on graphics today. And build anything together.